Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna be doing an oil change on a 2016 Ford Escape. Right now I have it on the ramps just because the car is low, and I have the oil cap off so it can breathe, and then when doing the oil change it can just let the oil flow. What I'm going to be doing is going down, going to take off the oil pan cover, and I'm going to be using a T30 Star, and let's get to it. I'm gonna go to the back so it doesn't knock on me. I still feel it down here. Alright, I got the back down now. Let's get one more off. I have all 5 off. I just pulling this down. Just gotta minus the one here. Way, set it over there. Now I'm gonna place the cardboard. I'm just gonna use this box and just slide it under here. There. The oil filter is right here. There, and then the oil pan. So we don't spill any of the oil. I have to shift my weight towards the camera, man. I'm gonna be using 15mm. Alright, now I have a shop towel, some gloves so I don't make a mess, and then the 15mm to take out the bolt. Ow. Actually, let's do it. So you can see if we can hear it. I think I may actually need some leverage here. Alright, I'm gonna use this metal pole to take out the bolt since it was super tight. Totally not me weak, but it's just like that. It's actually gonna be just very tight. I'm gonna do this now and then just loosen it a bit. Actually, I'm tightening it. Now that I got rid of the rod, because because I already broke it loose, I'm just gonna use my strength to just loosen it up. Alright, that's right there. Just gonna let it drain for a bit. And just wait here. It's done. Alright, I'm going to be using acdelco 5W30 oil, 6 quarts, and then the oil filter is a PF53 oil filter by acdelco as well. Now that I reinstalled the drain plug, I'm going to be moving on to the oil filter. I'm going to be using a 3/8 socket wrench, an extension, and then a oil filter wrench. Now that the oil filter is right here, some behind the oil pan, I will be now with some assistance from the cameraman with the oil filter. I'm going to be loosening it up, and this one's for sure going to leak a lot, or not leak but more spill. Oh well, I guess it's not as bad, maybe. No oil, just around and just a bit in there, so it's all nice and clean. And a little more. Yeah, go ahead and go. Yep, in there. Alright, now that that's nice and clean, going to put the oil filter back in. I think that's good. Should be good also. Alright, now I'm just gonna clean up under here. I should do that's better. Side. And I'm using a funnel for the oil, just so we don't spill it everywhere else. Now we're gonna pour all 6 of these in there. Let it breathe a bit. I'm just gonna let that flow a bit down. I'm gonna grab another bottle. Yeah. Now the third one. trying to take this. Now for our last bottle. So let's sit there for a minute. And shake off whatever's left in there. Alright, let that one drain in there. Next, doink. That done, just going to pull the funnel out. Here, not to make a mess of this. And we can put the oil cap filter back on. Okay, now I'm going to be resetting the oil light. I'm going to press it once. Then I'm going to press both pedals at the same time until the progress bar shows. I'm just going to hold it until it's done. Now I'm gonna let go of it and just gonna turn it on. Should be it. Alright, now I'm gonna be putting on the cover, or first checking the leaks, then putting on the cover. Right now that we checked for no leaks, now we're just gonna put the cover back on. And I put 3 in the front and 3 in the back, since 3 or 6 is all we have. Alright, now I'm gonna be closing the hood. Like this. Put the stick back into there. Just make sure it's not loose. Then I'm gonna remove the bricks placed in the back right here, inside. Now I'm going to back up the car from off the ramps, and it should be done. Watching. Hopefully this helps someone out on how to change the 2016 Fordescape oil. Bear with me, I'm still learning how to do mechanical and videos. And thank you again for watching. Have a good one.